Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking to you about the formation of the Internal Complaints Committee. So today we'll see that how the Internal Complaints Committee is formed and by whom the Internal Complaints Committee is set up. Okay. So before starting this video, I will tell you that there is a legal provision in the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act for the formation of the Internal Complaints Committee, and that legal provision has been given in section 4 of that act. As per section 4 of that act, the Internal Complaints Committee should be formed in the establishment by the employer. So it is the duty of the employer to set up the Internal Complaints Committee in his establishment, and this Internal Complaints Committee is consisting of 4 members. So as per section 4, there will be 4 members in the Internal Complaints Committee. The first one is the presiding officer, and that presiding officer should be a woman, and that will be nominated by the employer in his establishment. Okay, so employer will nominate the presiding officer in the Internal Complaints Committee, and there will be 2 more members in the Internal Complaints Committee other than the presiding officer, and these 2 members will also be nominated by the employer again. Okay, and these 2 members will be nominated from amongst the employees preferably committed to the cause of a woman, and those who are having legal knowledge, those who are having experience in social work, those members can be nominated by the employer in the Internal Complaints Committee. Okay, let's move on to the last member, that is the 4th member of the Internal Complaints Committee, and that member, the 4th member, will be nominated from amongst the non-governmental organization or association who is committed to the cause of a woman or a person familiar with the issues relating to the sexual harassment. Okay, so those that person who is having experience in dealing with the issues relating to the sexual harassment, that person can be nominated in the Internal Complaints Committee by the employer. Okay, so that is how the Internal Complaints Committee is formed. So as per section 4, there will be 4 members in the Internal Complaints Committee, and all these 4 members will be nominated by the employer. Okay, and it is said that half of its members should be a woman. Okay, further this section says that all these members including the presiding officer will be nominated in the Internal Complaints Committee for a period of 3 years. Okay, further this section says that the member who has been appointed by the employer from amongst the non-governmental organizations or association, that person should be paid by the employer for holding the proceedings of the committee. Okay, so that is how the Internal Complaints Committee is set up. Okay, and in the next video we'll see the role of the Internal Complaints Committee, what is the role of the Internal Complaints Committee and why it should be set up in the establishment, what is the need of having the Internal Complaints Committee, that we will see in the next video. Okay, so if this topic, the formation of the Internal Complaints Committee, is clear to you, then you please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.